Are you looking for the best dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vantrue N4. The Vantrue N4 is an exceptional value, offering a dash cam, cabin-facing camera, and rear-view camera. It attaches to the windshield with a suction mount, and its cameras can be adjusted for optimal coverage. The front dash cam records at 2560 by 2160 pixels but drops to 2560 by 1440 when all 3 cameras are used. The cabin and rear cameras have 1920 by 1080 resolution. The cameras have wide fields of view with minimal distortion, and the cabin camera includes infrared lighting for low light conditions. The N4's integrated screen features a picture-in-picture mode that displays all 3 cameras' feeds simultaneously, along with settings and recording modes. It offers low frame rate and low bit rate recording modes, but we found these can drain the car battery. The device also includes collision and motion detection, automatically saving relevant footage. For example, a 128 GB micro SD card, not included, holds about 6.7 hours of footage. Previously, the Vantrue N4 was our top pick, mainly due to the quality/value ratio it offers, but the VOFO has taken its spot due to the latter's image quality. It's a strong competitor at a great price, with 3 cameras and lots of features, and it came in only slightly behind our top pick in image quality. Number 2. 70mm A810. The 70mm A810 is a clean, utilitarian dashcam that gets the job done without making a fuss. The camera features a 4K front-facing and a 1080p rear-facing camera, both of which feature HDR image capture. Image quality coming from the 4K front-facing camera is great, particularly for its price. While it does seem to err on overexposing the image slightly compared to the competition, this actually helps with making license plates pop a bit more. Text, in particular, seems quite clear compared to other cameras in this price range. This performance with smaller text and details backs up 70mm's claims that it's using more advanced noise reduction technology than some of its competition. The unit itself is simple to set up. The screen can be difficult to see once mounted, but the display is bright enough to see even at high noon, and the 4 buttons used to navigate the menu are easy to click through. The accompanying app isn't fantastic, but it's intuitive enough to change settings and transfer footage, which is all you should need it for. If you don't want to shell out for the VOFO, the 70mm A810 is a respectable alternative that gets you most of the quality at a much lower price. Number 3. VanTrue E360. More than just a dashcam, the VanTrue E360 combines dashcam monitoring with the unique view of a 360-degree camera. It also includes a selfie stick, so you can remove the dashcam and use it as a 360-degree camera no matter where you are. As a dashcam, the E360 captures 5.2K 360-degree video both inside the cabin and outside facing the road. That sounds impressive in theory, but what you gain in perspective, you lose in resolution. The fisheye-style 360-degree view sacrifices details for coverage. License plates and other details outside the car were more difficult to see clearly compared to some of the competition. The unit itself is an oblong box that hangs from its mount. We found the mount secure, but the magnetic attachment that holds the camera in the mount is suspect. This magnet makes it possible to easily take the camera out and use it with the included selfie stick, but we're not confident the magnet would hold the dashcam in place in the event of an accident. As a whole, this camera feels like it's the embodiment of jack of all trades, master of none. While it can do a lot, it doesn't do anything particularly well. That's not to say this is necessarily a bad dashcam, just that it serves a different purpose than most other dashcams. We know Vantrue can create an impressive dashcam, as the company's N4 III, our previous best overall pick, shows, but as a dashboard camera for cars, the pricey E360 misses the mark. Number 4. Garmin Mini 2. The Garmin Mini 2 is an excellent choice for someone looking to keep their dash cam discreet and out of the way. It's compact enough to tuck behind your rearview mirror if so desired. The app functionality is quite nice as well, and the 1080p matched up well against the competition despite its diminutive size. While it's a nice set-and-forget dashcam, we found that it's a bit tricky to determine whether everything is set up correctly without checking it via the app. The lack of a screen makes it difficult to see if the camera is lined up properly. Additionally, there are a few different lights that blink on the cam, and it's confusing at first to know what they all mean. But once you get that all set, the Garmin Mini 2 is a solid choice for a tiny dash cam. Number 5. Escort MAXcam 360C. The MAXcam 360C primarily serves as a radar detector with a secondary dashcam function. It isn't ideal for those seeking only a dashcam. But for anyone wanting a radar detector with a competent camera to boot, it's a great choice. The dashcam boasts a 2560 by 1440 resolution with a Sony Starvis image sensor that captures 30 frames per second and offers a 143-degree field of view. The video quality is contrasty, with noticeable noise reduction and compression that significantly impacts image quality. We found the MAXcam 360C performed well in low-light conditions, although finer details became blurry. It clearly captured license plates up to 10 feet away under ideal conditions, but beyond that, its clarity is a miss, even in the most ideal conditions. This product isn't suitable for everyone due to its high cost and the complexity of using a radar scanner. But if you're looking for a radar detector as well as a dashcam and want to kill both birds with one stone, this Escort fits the bill.